pictures coming out of Southern California are just heartbreaking as a number of wildfires are out of control. The devastation is being described as destructive, apocalyptic. 5 people now confirmed dead from one fire in the Pasadena area. It ripped through the Altadena Senior Center north of Pasadena, where people had to flee in just minutes to do so. It quickly exploded into an inferno. Tens of thousands of people from this one fire alone having to rush to safety in a matter of minutes. Down the road, Pacific Palisades, that's the most destructive fire in Los Angeles history, is burning out of control. CBS News has learned LA's Mayor Karen Bass warned more people may get orders to evacuate today. People who live in that area are just devastated.
Our house, you can tell it's next, and we're getting out.
See, the only thing that's basically standing is the chimney. And yeah, now it's nothing.
Yeah, that is just heartbreaking. Now, another big worry from these fires is the potential for looting. Local police say a number of folks have already been arrested while trying to loot homes that had been evacuated.